7 days of the week. Monday. Monday. The English class starts on Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. The biology exam is on Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. The video meeting is on Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Anna is at the office on Thursday. Friday. Friday. The deadline is on Friday. Saturday. Saturday. The cafe opens on Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. The music festival ends on Sunday. Now let's say all the days together. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Now let's practice. Which day is missing? Thursday. Which day is missing? Saturday. Which day is missing? Tuesday. Which day is missing? Wednesday. Which day is missing? Friday. Which day is missing? Monday. Which day is missing? Sunday. Good job! See you in the next video.